Tomatoes are the major dietary source of antioxidant lycopene. It has been including many health benefits. It is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, E, K and vitamin B. Tomatoes are good for your skin. Tomatoes help prevent several types of cancer. Tomatoes reduce risk of heart disease. Tomatoes help to maintain strong bones. Tomatoes help to repair damage caused by smoking. Tomatoes are good for your hair. Tomatoes are one of the very low calorie vegetable. They are also very low in fat content. Cholesterol levels is 0 in tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are very rich in potassium, which helps to control heart rate and body fluids. It also controls blood pressure. Scientifically found, tomatoes are protective against cancer including colon, breast, prostate and lungs. The minerals contained in tomatoes are potassium, magnesium, phosphorus and manganese. The disadvantage of eating tomatoes. It is best to avoid acidic food like tomatoes to avoid acid reflux. People who have kidney issues must also limit intake of tomatoes. Thank you.